The artist's eye is not only about the visual details in the world around us, it's also about making connections and seeing the bigger picture. By cultivating our own artistic eye, we gain not only a new appreciation for life, but also unlock our own incredible potential for creativity and innovation. The journey of learning to see like an artist is one that's ongoing, and it offers limitless possibilities for personal growth and expression. You can start by observing and being curious and maybe a little bit silly. Artists are attuned to the subtle nuances of the world around us. By taking time to really look at the world, we can develop our own creative eye. Try going for a slow walk or taking time in nature to observe with all of your senses. One of my favorite things to do is get down close to the forest floor and imagine I'm a tiny little ant. What would lichen, moss, or fungi look like to me? How luscious is this macro world beneath our feet? Take note of the colors, the textures, and the shapes you see. There's no one color of green, brown, or gray. Look for flecks of colors that might surprise you. What of these surprising discoveries will make you smile? This type of mindful observation can open the door to unexpected inspiration. As much as I'm a visual artist, I love using words to help analyze and dissect what I'm looking at. Language really helps to build my artistic vocabulary. One of the greatest gifts of seeing like an artist is that everything feels precious and worthy. We hold reverence for some things that others might deem ugly or old or dilapidated. We look at rusty tractors peeling paint on a windowsill or an old barn leaning on its last post as muse for the next piece of work. We can embrace these imperfections to allow us, too, the freedom to experiment and make mistakes. Try letting go of the need for perfection and allow yourself to play and explore. Embrace the unexpected and allow your creative impulses to guide you, whether it's through abstract painting or free writing. Let yourself be led by intuition. Find your medium. Art comes in many forms, from music to dance to sculpture. Experiment with different mediums until you find one that speaks to you. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and to try something new. You might be surprised at the form your own creativity takes. Perhaps, like me, you've got many to choose from. Visual art is my dominant career, but I also love writing and playing music. Luckily, my life does not depend on the latter. Connect with others. Creativity thrives in community. Seek out like-minded individuals and join a writing group, painting class, or community theater troupe. These connections can provide valuable feedback, inspiration, and support. Practice your observation skills. Finally, like any other skill, learning to see like an artist takes practice. Make it a habit to observe and experiment with what you are observing every day. Look for connections and patterns. Constantly challenge your assumptions and try new things. And soon you'll find that your own artistic eye will become more attuned and more intuitive with every passing day. Even just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference in honing your skills and developing your creative eye. Remember, jotting a few ideas into a notebook is a great place to start. Art has the power to transcend language and culture, to connect us to ourselves and to others. By learning to see like an artist through mindful observation, experimentation, and dedication, we can unleash our own creative potential and reap the transformative benefits, whether it's through writing, painting, or dance. Take that creative leap and see where it takes you. Who knows? You might just discover a whole new facet of yourself in the process. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I offer all sorts of free tips and tricks, as well as a selection of online courses through my website where you can learn step by step with me. Please consider subscribing, and I hope you enjoy this new video.